What the dog doing?
First of all, we have to go for the subject of the sentence. That's dog, yeah? Inu. And at this early stage, we have to make a choice. What particle should we use? Wa or ga?
What is a particle?
Simply put, it's a character that helps us distinguish different sections within a sentence. Wa indicates the topic of the sentence. It specifies the broader context. It's often used to set the stage for the conversation. Ga indicates the subject of the sentence. It tends to stress a little more whatever we're talking about. It sets a spotlight, adding emphasis or indicating new information. Let me share with you an example. Naruto wa tsuyoi. So we have wa here, indicating that Naruto is the topic of the sentence. Remember that wa doesn't have any meaning on its own. It's only helping us to recognize this section. What do we get from the sentence? Well, it's just letting us know that Naruto is strong. There isn't much to it. Naruto ga tsuyoi. Now we have ga instead, indicating that Naruto is the subject of the sentence. But it also stresses the fact that Naruto is the one who is strong. Not anyone else, but Naruto. This can be used as a response when someone asks, "Dare ga tsuyoi?" Who is strong? That's a direct question, craving an explicit answer. Now we can reply, "Naruto ga tsuyoi." We're stressing the importance of this particular subject by using ga, and I think that's what we want to do with our sentence too. We're talking about one specific dog, and we're trying to figure out what he's up to. So we have inu ga.
What about the D?
Oh yeah, I forgot. It doesn't exist in Japanese, so don't mind it. Next we have what? That's nani. And we close our question with to be doing. This comes from the verb to do. That's suru in Japanese. However, there's another way to say it, which is yaru. While there are situations where using yaru over suru is incorrect, for now we can just memorize it as being the more colloquial way of saying to do. Keep in mind that there are different levels of politeness in Japanese, and because our channel leans more towards popular music and anime, most of our content plays around the casual and informal side of Japanese. We'll go with yaru because it fits better the meme vibes of the question. Inu ga nani yaru can be interpreted as what does the dog do? Literally, dog what does. If we really want to make sure we're asking what is the dog doing, our verb has to be in the present and be continuous. That's the teiru form. To be doing, to be eating, to be drinking. So there's 3 types of verbs: ichidan type verbs, godan type verbs, and the irregular verbs. We'll make a detailed video about this soon. For now, let's just see how to turn each of these into the teiru form. If it is an ichidan type verb, we just chop off the last du and replace it with te, and then we add iru. That's so easy, right? But if it's a godan type verb, now it gets more complex. You see, verbs in Japanese have different endings. They all end in the u sound, but the character can be ku, nu, ku, and so on. Our verb now, as a matter of fact, is a godan type verb with a ru ending. If it was a ichidan type verb, it would become yate. But because it is a godan type verb, the ru doesn't become te, but rather te with a double consonant. So it's actually yatte. If you think this content is useful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll go more into detail with a specific video about these godan type verbs. As for now, let's get our verb in its te form and finish what we started. All we need to do now is stick the iru at the end and we're all set. Yatteiru, to be doing. Inu ga nani yatteiru? Oh, and if you want to make this sound more conversational and casual, please add no at the end. That's something I call to add roundness to the vibes. It has a nice and friendly tone, so inu ga nani yatteiru no? We can also make this become inu ga nani yatten no? Or to make it sound even more casual, we can skip the ga particle. Inu nani yatten no? But this has been enough information for today, so let's leave it here. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. We'll be bringing up more every week. では次回もお楽しみに。じゃあね。